How is all that going to be impacting our Indian markets? What are we watching out for today? Our team of research is here to set you up for trade, tell you which are the important stocks to watch out for, as well as the update in the world of F&O. Hormaz, good morning. And today, are we expecting some green on the screen for the Indian markets? And will it sustain? That's the question, right?
Morning, Vinny. And the bulls would definitely be hoping for that. They've seen enough red all through the last 5 months, so definitely be hoping for some green, particularly going into the Holy Weekend. But over the last 2 days, it's been one common trend. We open lower, make a low, and then we recover from those levels. We recovered almost 250 points on Tuesday. We recovered another 150 yesterday. But unlike Tuesday, we did not end at the highs of the day. We ended slightly lower from those levels. But it was a choppy session nonetheless. But the good part was that we managed to defend that 22,450 level yet again. And what led that recovery? Of course, it was banking names, of course, like HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank. The one that dragged the index down was IT, and it was only IT that kept the index, the gains in check, or any potential recovery in check. But will the IT index rebound today? Possibly, because even NASDAQ rebounded last night from extremely oversold levels. We might see some similar action here today as well. And there's some positives for the market as well. The CPI falling to a 7-month low. IIP also coming in above expectations, so that's a positive. 22,450 of course remains the important level, because we haven't closed below that for the last 5 trading sessions. We've been defending it intraday, and hopefully that happens today as well. The Nifty Bank too, led by HDFC Bank. We mentioned 47,840 as an important support yesterday. It rebounded from exactly those levels and closed above the mark of 48. IndusInd also saw a bounce yesterday, but of course the stock is in the F&O band, so you have to keep an eye out on that as well. And for that immediate range for the Nifty Bank remains between that 47,840 to 48,500 range. Today, of course, the weekly expiry going into the long weekend might remain light on positions, so expect some consolidation. But for now, it is the GIFT Nifty indicating a positive start. Hopefully, that sustains going into the holy day as well.
Absolutely, Hormaz, and just highlighting that it's gone 15 points higher as well. When we started the show, it was around 30. Now it's 45 points higher than Nifty implied open. So hoping for much higher start coming in for the Indian markets. Let's hope for the best. But let's go across to Abhishek, who's here to tell us which are the important stocks to watch out for in today's trading session. Good morning, Abhishek.
Good morning, Vinny. So to begin with, Bharat Electronics, they have backed an order of about 2,463 crore for Ashwini radars from Indian Air Force. So NTPC Green, they have commissioned the second part of their 50 megawatt of 105 megawatt Sajapur solar project unit 1 of their arm. First source, their arm in USA has incorporated an arm in Colombia as well. Now, NHPC will consider their borrowing plan for FY26 on March 19. Jubilant Pharmova, over there, the US FDA has issued establishment inspection report with voluntary action indicated for their arm Jubilant Cadista, Maryland based solid oral formulation facility. Jayaprakash Associate, they have assigned their outstanding debt to NARCL. Zydus Life, Zynext Ventures, they will invest in Elixir, to advance their novel oral therapy for sickle cell disease. Coromandel International, the board has approved acquisition of 53.1% stake in NACL for a consideration close to rupees 820 crore. Ola Electric, they have announced a holy flash sale offer for their S1 range e-scooters. So they will provide discounts of up to 26,750 on S1 Air and 22,000 on S1 X Plus Gen 2. They will also offer discount of up to 25,000 on the rest of S1 range, including the S1 Gen 3 range, and also additional discount that they will offer, or the benefits of up to 10,500 rupees is there for customers. Back to you.
Okay, Abhishek, thank you so much for that. But let's get you the final update on the domestic front. What are the important cues to watch out for in the world of F&O today? We have Sudarshan who's here to give us that update. Good morning, Sudarshan.
Good morning, Vinny. So for the second straight day, we saw similar pattern playing out. We saw market opening with cuts, seeing intraday recovery, and at the end closing near day's high. For today, GIFT Nifty is indicating a start with minor gains. Talking about the flows, yesterday also we saw FIs selling shares in the cash market. Sell number was more than rupees 1,600 crore, while for DIs, buy number was more than rupees 1,500 crore. In the index futures, two FIs have sold more than 800 crore. Even the index options, we saw selling of around rupees 8,100 crore. Only in the stock futures, FIs have bought nearly 600 crore. Also, they have reduced long positions by 700 contracts and have had short positions by more than 3,800 contracts. With this, FI's long exposure now stands at 18%. On the option front, on the call side, 22,550 and 22,660 call options were active and seen healthy additions. And on the put side, 22,300 and 22,350 put options have seen healthy additions. With this, support for Nifty remains around 22,300 and resistance here 22,800. But on immediate basis, resistance here 22,620. That is also 20-day moving average. With the stocks in the band are IndusInd Bank, SAIL, BSE, Hind Copper and Manappuram.
Okay, Sudarshan, thank you so much for that.